Hey guys, in this video we'll learn how you can play Please Donate on Roblox. So make sure to watch this video till the end and follow all the steps properly. Now first of all, open up your Roblox on your PC and simply log in with your account. You can see that I can open the Please Donate stall without any pass or item. Now to create a new pass, simply leave the game, open up a browser of your choice and log in with your Roblox account. Go over to create section and you'll be able to see your creations. Don't worry if it's your first time, as it is created by default for everyone automatically. Then just open your experience, go over to associated item section, inside it go over to passes section and then just create a new one. Select a picture or leave it to default, then just name it and save it. After that, open up the newly created pass in a new pass and configure it. Now, change its sell price to anything you want and again save it. Now open up Please Donate game and select an empty stall. Try claiming the stall and you are done. That's all for today's video. Hope you liked the video. I'll be meeting you in the next one. See you soon. Bye.